G'day everyone, my name's Rob, the call is VK5SW. I'm here in South Australia and I'm at our property at the moment. I'll just show you what it's like here in a minute. I'll swing the camera around, but I'm just going to show you the the installation of the Buddipole antenna. It's a portable antenna which can be used in a number of configurations. I've already shown you the dipole configuration. I'm just going to show you the vertical way to operate it. So initially I said it was created and manufactured by a chap in the US, and I don't think that's right. I think he's a chap in Canada, and he's done a great job, and I think his call is VE3WMB, but I'm not really sure about that. Okay, I'll just show you what the property is like, and then I'll show the installation or the putting together of the antenna. Okay everyone, well there's the main shed over there. You probably can't see it very well. Let's see if I can zoom in somewhat. There it is there. Okay, just come back out of there and I'll show you the rest of the property here. Hang on a sec, I just have to get the elevation right. Okay, it's a lovely morning here. It's probably about 9:30 in the morning. Beautiful day. Sunshine everywhere. Not many clouds, if any at all, and one of the best things about it is that there's no wind, so hopefully I can show you the installation of this antenna before the wind picks up. Okay, well you can see that it's very arid. There's not much here. Kangaroos, emus, Australian type animals, of course. It's my car over there. I have some solar panels here which I'm going to use to charge a lithium-ion battery. Okay, turn it off for now. Okay everyone, well that's a tripod. All you do is extend the arms like that. It's easy, it's all in one piece. Okay, well that's basically it. So easy to put together. So you can use that on the HF bands. It's just one configuration. They have a number. You can use an upside down V, for example, and all sorts of things. It's really good. The people who've designed it have done a great job, I reckon. Okay, well, I'm going to say goodbye for now. So 73 and 88. I'll see you hopefully in the next video.